Okay, here's a real video. We're taking the time to cover off right here. We've already cut around the outside perimeter of the oil pan to make sure we can put this back correctly. Now that we have the timing cover itself off, let's look at this, observe, and look at the back of it. Oh gosh, look at that. Oh my God, that's crazy. It's corroded, that's black, that's trash. It's got a seal on the inside, I see. I've already bought the parts to replace it. There's the seal with the lip right here at the bottom we'll have to put back on here. But one thing we will not have to do is take this fucking pan down. Something I was gonna fucking dread. Thank you, Jesus. Fuel pump, remove. We'll remove all of this, which is the mechanical fuel pump, and the elongated oval here, which has to be unscrewed here, tighten up, put back on, so when it makes its revolutions, this thing here it'll pump, the fucking oil pump, pretty hard. We'll take this off, guard, clean it all up good. And we got a new timing chain we want to change out if this one is kind of funked up. Let's see if it's funked up. Get one side, you press it, nut. Oh, super loose, super loose. This here's super loose, super loose. You see that? That's bad. Not on one side, but both sides. Super fucking loose. Old sprocket, which is in original or whatever. I had to get something and pull it off. Pulling tool or some shit, I don't know. Then I had to pull this timing, this motherfucker off, but mine is retained by one bolt rather than 3 holes, which I'm used to seeing. I'm used to seeing 3 holes. There's my dot. I need to line up with the dot that's on here, which is right there, to get top dead center before I even take this thing off and try to replace it. Awesome. Then we can clean up everything and get this bitch put back together. All right, gotta go.